The buyer for your Vero Beach luxury home is not your neighbor. He is not at the open house. He is in Greenwich, in Palm Beach, in São Paulo, making decisions about your property on a screen before he has ever set foot on the barrier island. 35 years in this market. Here is what I know. 3 buyers are driving Vero Beach luxury this summer. Buyer 1. The Northeast Migrant one is leaving New York. Done paying 10% state income tax. He has done the math. Florida wins. Buyer 2, the South Florida Spillover. One has been priced out of Palm Beach, driving north. Vero Beach is 40 to 60% below comparable Palm Beach oceanfront. Buyer 3, the international cash purchaser. One is wiring funds from Latin America or Western Europe. Cash buyer, evaluating your home at midnight in another time zone. What all 3 share? They will not find you through a local website. We reach them through 60 global markets, through 750 platforms, the Wall Street Journal, Robb Report, Mansion Global, through cinematic video, through the only real estate app on the Apple App Store within 100 miles. Your buyer is already looking. Vance Brinkerhoff, 7729133426. Ben Bright, 7727139455. Let us make sure he finds you.